we have already seen the area and definitely starting tomorrow we'll be doing the diving. Ngayon, even surface search, naggagawa na rin ngayon.
Sir, yung ground zero natin, sa Talisay o sa Laurel?
Dito yung staging area natin para mas malapit-lapit dun sa area ng operations natin.
Gaano ka-frequent yung magiging dives?
Ibe-base namin yan dun sa number of divers namin. Siyempre, iniisip din namin yung sea condition. Nakita nyo naman kanina, medyo masama yung panahon. Kaya some of our media friends were not able to go to the site kasi for safety reasons. So, same sa divers namin yan.
Sir, saan talaga tayo nag-inspect kanina? Part ng Talisay or Laurel?
It's here adjacent to Laurel. So, we'll be doing yan yung initial area na sinurvey namin.
Ito na yung pala isda.
So, we will start here, at the vicinity of Laurel. We have teams na mag-interval naman yan based sa gagamitin naming tangke at depth ng ida-dive natin. So, pagka exceed kami dun sa normal range ng diving operation, we will be using trimix or yung mga nitrox, gano'n.
Sir, ilan sorry po. Sir, go lang.
So, sir, 30 meters talaga yung lalim. And gano'n yung tubig, malinaw ba? Malabo?
This is a lake, no? So, characteristic niya, lalo na pagka maalon, and nakikita niyo naman murky, no? So, same yun sa bottom. As you go deep, medyo lumalabo, maburak din yung lugar.
Gagamit ka ng water drone?
That is one of the considerations namin sa equipment na gagamitin based depende sa depth. But initially, we'll be using... Yes.
So for daily, wag lang pong maulan, sir, ganyan.
Say again?
Possible na mag-start na tayo?
Yes, actually, right now, nag-start na tayo ng initial natin, survey. The operations already started and nag-ocular lang tayo and ina-assess natin yung other equipments that we'll be using.
Ilan yung divers na naka-deploy, sir?
Depende yan, no? As we go on, yung search pattern na gagawin namin mamaya pag-uusapan namin, no? Para efficiently at safely namin magawa yung operations. Then, it will also be an exclusion area. Kaya marami kami i-consider later when we have our meeting.
Sir, pwede pa kwento, ano po yung ginawa sa assessment? May nag-guide
Ocular and survey. We did some survey.
It's more of parang tinignan lang, sir, o mayroon talagang ginawa?
We did some survey.
Sir, ilan yung divers po na mag-shifting?
It depends. Mamaya we will go to that. Depende dun sa search area. Yung length ng search area, dun mo ipapattern yung
Sir, very unique po itong circumstances natin kasi freshwater po. Tapos 4 years po if ever we're talking about the 2021 cases.
Yeah.
Kamusta po ang experience ng Coast Guard sa mga ganitong klase ng cases?
We've been doing some search and retrieval operation and rescue operation dito sa lake even before. Pero this is peculiar kasi ito dahil sort of crime siya talaga, no? Yung ginagawa namin dito more on sa mga incidents.
Sir, given almost 4 years na, tingin niyo po ba sa experience ng Coast Guard, may makukuha pa tayo?
We'll see, we'll check na and we'll consult. Ito collaborative effort not only Coast Guard, DOJ, and some experts. Hindi kami pwedeng, we plan well yung ating operation. Chine-check namin lahat ng angulo.
Sir, purong yung mga divers, purong galing sa PCG, hindi na tayo nag-tap from...
Hindi na. These are the elite special operations force, yung mga fragment natin from our Coast Guard special operations force nga. And they are technical divers.
Sir, may ROV ba tayo?
We have an ROV coming.
Yan yung sa Japan.
Hindi pa.
Sa PCG?
Yes, PCG.